Hello, everyone. Hi, how are you? Anna Walker here with StabThingsIntoExistence.com. Welcome to the studio. And unlike usual, WTF Wednesdays, What to Felt Wednesdays, I'm giving you some options. What do I mean? Well, maybe the question isn't what to felt, but what not to felt. I mean, I've got tutorials on the website right now that will teach you how to create felted ornaments, a free one that'll teach you how to make felted soap, felted snap bracelets. They're not just for kids anymore. Felted succulents, ones that I'm told by a master gardener look real. Felted cookie cutter garlands with all kinds of shapes that you can make for your own. And soon to come, how to encapsulate a flat object like these Nespresso pods in felt, how to create a beautiful felted heart, felted sculptures, felted scarves, felted purses, felted paintings like these back here. There are only two left, by the way. Only two left. And I have to say a quick thank you to the folks who have bought the first three. We are $25 from what I had hoped would be the full amount that the five paintings would generate, and we're already $25 away from that. So thank you for being extra generous and for your donations. The International Red Cross will be receiving those shortly, and you will see the post with the donation receipt on the website and here on Facebook. So, anyway, let's get back to what can you felt. You know what? What to felt is a very subjective, excuse me, a very subjective question. And I don't think it's the right question because you can try and felt anything you want. What do you want to felt? Do you want to make scarves? I can help with that. This is my lattice scarf, and it's actually a free tutorial on my YouTube site. Um, do you want to felt sculptures? Do you want to create ornaments or create decorative pieces? Do you want to make guest soaps that your overnight guests can take with them when they're done, or that you can give as gifts that can be a sachet in a drawer? Get a beautiful soap that's got a wonderful fragrance to it, encapsulate it in felt, and then they've got a wonderful exfoliating scrubby that'll shrink down as the soap shrinks down and give them a washcloth and soap. I mean, it's basically soap on a rope, but it's soap in a washcloth, kind of felted soap. And this is a free tutorial on the website. You can go and get this anytime. There are so many things you can create in felt, and I still haven't finished exploring them. I've got a fascinator over there that is waiting to be finished. I have peace mandalas that will be the next $47 club class, and then we'll be doing this felted heart in, well, it's actually going to be a felted heart. You'll have three different options, but the heart will be one of the options of the patterns that you'll have in the kit. There's so many things that you can create with felt, and I hope you don't think that the live today is a cop out, because it really is up to you what you want to create in felt. Over my 14 years, I have created sculptures. I have helped people create a character that is close to their heart, whether that's Mickey Mouse or whether that's a dragon from their D&D game. I have helped people create jewelry, necklaces, bracelets, earrings, even out of felt. I have helped people see their vision in felt. My vision is not yours. but I can help you find your vision in felt. And so I want you to think about, what is it you would like to do with felt? I know the next things on my personal list are more of the series of Kansas landscapes. And I know the very next one I'm going to do, because one of the braids that I bought in a Ukraine fundraiser, one of the braids is the perfect colors for this particular photograph to translate it into felt. I also, and I've talked about this before, there are a couple of artists that I would like to translate into felt. Um, this Laurel Birch was an amazing, very vivid, very expressive artist, and her visions, her art is definitely inspirational. So I will be, I mean, this is an old book that I picked up years ago, and I'm glad I did. I also have an old um, calendar. Remember when we used to get like planner calendars every year? Sierra Club had one. Well, there was a Laurel Birch one, and I saved the calendar because the illustrations were so inspirational. So, what inspires you? Is it perhaps the flowers of Carrie Schmidt and the designs that she creates? She is so inspiring. I'm in her paint club right now, and the things that I am being inspired by is just amazing. Um, there is so much available out there for inspiration. What do you want to felt? I need to know so that I can help you with it. Comment here. Let me know what you're thinking, what is something that you want to do. I can tell you this, on the first Friday in May, I'll be at Leaping Llamas, and we will be creating a community project, and we will be felting a painting version of the Topeka flag. And you guys, anyone that comes by, will be able to take part in that project by needle felting a piece onto the pre-felt, and then I will wet felt it after it's all put together, and then it'll hang up at Leaping Llamas. After that, I've got a floral class, brooches class, mom and child, or parent and child class. You'll be making two of them during the class, and that'll be later in May. Maybe you want to do something really wild and crazy. Go for it. Give it a try. What to felt? That's just the question. What do you want to felt now? What do you want to felt next? What, not can you felt it? Just go for it. Try it. Have some fun. Explore. Remember what it's like to play. I'm looking over here at a picture that I picked up when I was in Scotland of different thistles. I love the texture of thistles. That will be a series that'll be coming up. Or do you want a pincushion that fits on your desk? Go for it. Felt it. Have fun. Play. Remember what it is to explore the possibilities. That is what I love so much about felting and about teaching people and helping people learn how to unpack their creativity and unpack their imagination by helping them through the medium of felt, whether that's wet felting or needle felting. So I just want to encourage you today on What to Felt Wednesday. Just felt something, felt the next thing, felt that thing that's inspired you for a long time. Maybe you've got one of your kids' drawings around from when they were little, and it was such a precious drawing, and you want to create a three-dimensional sculpture of it. Go for it. Give it a try. Have some fun. And until tomorrow, which is Tell Me Thursday, I will see you all later. Have a great Wednesday, everybody.